Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I apologize, everybody. The name of this superfood here is called CHAVA. Makes me think of that song. What is this stuff right here? It's a tribal superfood. So you know me, I'm a sucker for things like Soylents and everything because I'm doing stuff with my life. I'm just living my life. And when you realize that in an average day, you potentially cook food, eat food, and wash dishes anywhere from 3 to 5 hours, oh, I could have watched like 400 episodes of anime with that. I could have watched like the whole season of One Punch Man. Oh, CHAVA, thank you for giving me the ability to do consecutive normal punches. So what is CHAVA? It is a blend of organic superfoods and plant-based proteins inspired by ancient wisdom. All your essential nutrients in one. It's the whole body meal. It's the whole body meal, like the whole thing. It's even good for my leg. So it's vegan, gluten-free, no soy, no dairy, no artificial sweeteners or anything like that, flavors or colors, and no preservatives. 100% plant-based sources of protein. There's omega-3 in this that comes from chia and flax seeds. There's 8 antioxidant-rich superfruits in this. And when you're looking at the back of this thing, it just looks ridiculous because it has like 50-something% of like pretty much everything you need in a daggone day. It says it's got 24 grams of protein in it. Protein! I'd like to think that that's pretty darn tootin' good. So you need about 2 scoops to get a full serving size, but a serving size has about 250 calories in it. It's got about 7 grams of fat. It's got about 24 grams of protein, and then all of these awesome vitamins. Vitamin A through B12. It's even got other vitamin Bs in it, like biotin and things like that. It's nice. I really appreciate the fact that they tell you where the plant-based protein and stuff like that comes from. It's got yellow pea protein in it, organic whole grain brown rice. I'm a sucker for brown rice protein. It's got all kinds of stuff. It's even got quinoa in it. Oh, that super fruit blend is looking good. It says it's got coconut in it. So that's my warning. Anybody that's allergic to coconut, there's coconut in this. It's also got one of my favorite roots in it, the maca root. So if you're a vegan or a vegetarian or anything like that, it's very possible that you might not be getting as much of a testosterone kind of buildup going on there. So maca root helps a lot with that. You can take maca root. It's great for your skin, your hair, your nails, and everything. And it also has some testosterone production, little chemical side effect thingies going on with it, which means it is good for your beard. It is good for your muscles. Cool, right? So overall, I think this is a great whole body meal right here. Again, like I said, I'm a sucker for things like Soylent, things that will be able to give you more freedom in your life and also give you health. Quality of health. It's like we're living in a daggone future. I can drink one of these and it's like the space food or something. You know, that's pretty daggum sweet. But this says it's not too sweet. It says only 9 grams of sugar in the serving size. Haha, yeah! So I just wanted to give a huge shout out to CHAVA for sending me this and sponsoring this video. If you guys want to learn more about them, all of their links are in the description below, as well as potentially somewhere on this video. You never know, YouTube is constantly changing. No, be right back. I got to go get nutrition. I just gotta go eat. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. If you want to watch more videos from me, click my face. If you want to see more videos from us on this channel, then, yeah, they're on here. I made things. I made other videos. Watch them.